Hey Facebook, YouTube, hope you guys are having a great day. I am actually doing some upholstery today. Today is November 1st, 2021. It's a beautiful day out here, as you can see. I'm just glad it's not raining. But yeah, we're doing 3 pieces of furniture for a client that's actually moving, repeat client. And yeah, let me show you what we're doing. She actually bought a house and asked me to clean up her furniture because they do have dogs, and I believe it's going on their basement setting. So let's take a look. All right, guys, we're going to be doing this sofa, this couch, this top of this chair only, just the top surfaces, not the sides or back, and then we're going to do the top of this ottoman, but not the surrounding areas. So I just charge her $50 a piece just to do the top of those. And then, of course, my price list combination is $358 for those. And then, of course, $10 per pillow to clean those. So they're not going to get the protection. They're just going to get cleaned today because this is going in their basement setting. So happy to accommodate those needs for her. So, yeah, guys, that should do it. Again, I was glad and thankful it's not raining. Hope you guys are having a great day. This is what I'll be doing. Stay tuned for the after work. All right, guys, we're ready to roll. A little bit of agitation. You already pre-sprayed it. Going to agitate and suspend those fibers so they can break the soil load. Using a hairbrush here. Today I'm using my Sapphire wand. This special wand here allows me not to over wet the fabric. It helps expedite the drying process. And it's transparent so you can see the soil coming out. So very, very good. You can already see a difference. Look at that, guys. She was overdue, but that's what she called us. Look at that. So we'll dry passes. What's nice about this upholstery and the setup is it only takes about 30 to 45 minutes to dry because the fabric is thinner. Beautiful. All right, guys, stay tuned. Look at that, guys. Wow, look at that. Getting all that contaminants out of there. Wow. Big difference. All right, guys, I am finished. I'll show you the after work. I'm waiting for the client to get here to showcase that. Let me show you guys the after work. Man, it sure is a nice day out here. You can actually see horses over there. It's kind of neat. All right. All right, guys. So It's all finished. It all responded well. If you guys can be here and smell how divine it smells. I did put a deodorizer on there, and she's going to be so excited. Clean that up too. All those spots from stains are gone, as well as this one. Definitely night and day difference. Got rid of all those soil and got it suspended, as well as all those stains that were right there and all on the couch, and all the dog hair, all that stuff got vacuumed prematurely, and yeah, extracted it all out, and it looks amazing. All those stains came out of the pillow. Yep, she's gonna love it. All right, guys, stay tuned, and I will let you hear her her testimony when she gets here, and that should be a wrap. Thanks for watching. Drum roll.
Hey, thank you.
What do you think?
It looks so good.
Thank you.
I love it. It smells fresh.
And everything, it's called a cranberry scent.
Yeah.
All natural. I put a deodorizer in there to help, to eradicate the smell, to get a nice little fragrance, and it'll dry to the fibers that way.
Cool. Thank you.
Most welcome.
Yay.
1 through 10, what do you give it?
Oh, it's always a 10. It's great.
Appreciate that. Appreciate that.
Yeah, it's always great.